Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the drawing and switching to the drafting or annotate workspace so tools appear where you expect them. Once done, enable the revision cloud tool and pick the arc style. This is the only method that preserves editable grips. Make sure to set the target layer, color, and line weight first to avoid rework. You'll place the first arc intentionally slightly outside the object edge. This gives cleaner joins and predictable behavior as you continue drawing the cloud. You continue by drawing continuous arcs around the area that changed, using Object Snap for precise alignment to corners and midpoints. As you progress, open the Properties panel to fine-tune arc length, radius, and gap so the cloud visually matches sheet standards. This prevents later scaling issues. If you accidentally drew a polyline, convert it to a revision cloud. Select the polyline and use the Revise command, because the native revision cloud remains editable and scales predictably across viewports. You finish by confirming the cloud sits on the correct revision layer, then freeze or lock it so downstream edits don't move it. Before plotting, run region and verify viewports at final scale. This fixes most display artifacts and ensures arc radii hold up. If a cloud breaks or gaps appear, don't explode it. Redraw the missing arcs or use join only when endpoints exactly match. One key troubleshooting tip: if segments misalign, toggle Object Snap and nudge endpoints by a small value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.